All right, so here's the island. If this blue line, looking at your photo, from the post to the center of the radiant heat is 14. I don't know this measurement here. This blue line represents 14 inches. So that's the center of the manifold right here. This is the inside of the toe kick right here. So from 14 inches to the inside of the toe kick, we only have a 1/4 inch. So if that was already set in place in the foundation, I mean, your hands are tied, and if they want a 12-inch overhang, because the toe kick's going to have to come closer to the post a little bit. And again, I don't know how deep that manifold is, but a possibility is instead of the countertop ending, because this is the decking or the plywood support under the countertop. So if we come from the back of the cabinet to the post here, we've got 12 inches. So the edge of the countertop would end right here. But an option to get around this is the island just slid away from the sink wall, and the corner of the countertop would just be notched around the post, which would pull everything closer, would pull the island closer to the posts to get that toe kick enough room for the manifold, if that makes sense.